Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart real quick, and you can see we're just continuing this little grind to the upside. Marginal higher high yesterday, a little bit of a pullback this morning. Not really any different than what we saw during the pre-market yesterday. So hourly chart, weekly pivot support test on Tuesday. A couple of nice longs. They went ahead and did a morning low right in the low window. Wednesday, and then they ripped it, and then they spent the afternoon basically chopping it up. So not a whole heck of a lot going on yesterday, but you'll get those days in the summer where they'll be basically one move days, and then they kind of flatten out and they don't do a whole heck of a lot. 18 quarters your high. Pull back, went and did, look, the crowd that's been fighting price is going to call this a double top. I don't know if it is or not. I don't really care. We've pulled back to this 2706, 2708 area. Yesterday's low was 0675. We've gone ahead and we've done 06 quarter a couple of times in the overnight. So, we'll see how this acts off the open. If it wants to retest 2811 to the daily pivot up at 2813, how price reacts when it gets there is going to be pretty darn important. We open in about 14 minutes, so I don't want to be too long. I'll get a midday update out today. I didn't get one out yesterday because there really wasn't a whole heck of a lot to talk about. So watch 18 and 23 on the upside. If they can convert 06, then that opens the door to 2800 and potentially weekly pivot on the downside. All right, everybody have a good one. I'll be out with a midday update. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.